Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2017 Chevrolet Silverado. This vehicle is featured in the High Country trim with white metallic paint, power extendable running boards, and chrome alloy rims. We have our 4x4, V8 engine, rear privacy tint, heated and cooled front seats, heated steering wheel, backup camera, and sunroof. Now onto the interior of the Silverado. On our door panel we can see we have our memory seat option, chrome door handle, window and mirror controls, power mirror fold-in, wooden trim, Bose speaker and storage. Side of the seat we have our power adjustable seats with lumbar support. Left of the steering wheel we have our trailering, lighting and four-wheel drive controls. Our gauge cluster with screen, multifunction leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, heated and cooled seat options for driver and passenger, infotainment screen with backup camera and navigation. Below that we have our radio controls, CD player and dual zone climate controls, vehicle controls, charging outlets, storage, and 2 cup holders. We have our padded leather center console lid with wireless charging pad. Front seats featured in brown leather, High Country embossed into the headrest and perforated leather in the lower portion of the seat. OnStar controls on our rear view mirror. Above that are reading lights, as well as a sunglass holder and sunroof. Now back onto the exterior, we can see our chrome alloy rims, High Country badging in chrome, as well as chrome mirror caps and door handles. We have our power extendable running boards, rear privacy tint, soft tonneau cover, 4x4 badging, paint matched rear bumper with bumper steps, High Country and Silverado badging on the back. Moving on to the rear interior now, we can see our chrome door handle, again our two-tone brown door panel. We have our window switch, wooden trim speaker and storage. Back of the front seats we have leather magazine holders. Back of the center console area we have our charging outlet and storage. Then our rear seats with a fold down center seat featuring 2 cup holders inside. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of our 2017 Chevrolet Silverado High Country. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily Chevrolet videos. And we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.